Hey everyone, it's Miss Allison here. I hope you're having a fantastic Monday. Welcome back. I hope you had a great weekend. We are going to now dive in a little bit deeper into our short story. So we are going to look at our assignment for today and think about how all of these things link together. So I'm going to walk you through your assignment for today, thinking about all we accomplished last week. So we are starting a new story today. We are going to be exploring symbolism. Our learning target is I can identify symbols in the short story The Lottery by Shirley Jackson by performing a close reading. So let's look at together what we have going on here. Hopefully you're watching these video directions. We have 3 phases you're going through. This should be very familiar by now because we've done this several times. So we have phase 1, explore, phase 2, analyze, and then phase 3, apply or application. And then on the one side it says kind of what you're trying to accomplish, and on this side it has your task, okay? So a couple things we want to talk about real quick. First, you're going to recap last week. There is an assignment on Schoology that's called Short Story Check for Understanding. Pause, wait, don't freak out. This is not, and I repeat, not an assessment of any sort. On Schoology it will show up as an assessment. This is not counting for a grade in the grade book as an assessment. This is just an assignment that we're doing to pause and kind of tie everything together from last week. So deep breath, you're fine. Please accomplish that first, okay? Then you're going to watch a mini lesson on symbolism. As you watch, there are some questions to answer, and you will try out what you learned in that mini lesson in this chart down here. So answer questions about symbolism, and then down here, you're going to practice symbolism with a couple of sample symbols here. Think about what purpose does it serve in our world, and what could it symbolize. This will make more sense after you watch the video. Great. Next is going to be phase 2, analyze. So now that we know what symbolism is, we're going to apply it in a short story called The Lottery by Shirley Jackson. Pause! Wait! Stop again! This story is a little bit different than the ones that we read last week. It has kind of an intense tone to it. Very kind of, I wouldn't exactly call it sci-fi, but definitely a society that we don't see or live in. So it's going to be a little bit different just to think about. I see a lot of parallels to things like the Hunger Games. So just be warned right now that it is a little bit different, it is a little bit intense, but we are using this story because it is a very appropriate and very strong example of symbolism. So if you're reading this and like, what, this is different? It is. Don't worry, you're okay. We're going to get through it together, okay? So there's a couple different steps that you have here. You're going to read the short story. Remember, it's going to make a copy in your Google Drive. That's where it will live once you click on it, okay? And you're going to highlight these symbols in orange. Once you are done, we need a copy of your short story as your teachers, so you need to go ahead and go back and quickly copy your link to your short story in this box right here. Here is a video that will help you do that, so pause before you get started on that. It's going to make sure your sharing settings are set. It is 1 minute, and you'll give us your short story. Okay? Awesome. Next, we have application. So this is just like we did, I believe, for Gift of the Magi. Now that you have found symbols in the story, you have a question that you're going to answer using the PEA structure. Here are the slides for PEA. If you're like, I don't remember that, use your best and just try your best on this. Use your best writing skills. Your question is, in the short story, which symbol do you think was most powerful? And you're going to use your point, evidence, and analysis to accomplish that. Guys, I'm so excited to talk about this story with you. I hope it goes very well, and please let us know how we can be helping you and supporting you. Thank you.